Alright guys, welcome back to our second ever episode of One Shot. We're here in Abu Dhabi in Yas Marina. It's the final round of the Emirates Drift Championship. Right now, if you guys can see in the distance, a car has gone through the barrier. So all of the grid are just waiting here talking before they're getting their practice runs in. So I said, what a better time to do a one-shot, run through all the cars, have a chat with the people here, kind of keep it live and raw. I don't know what's going to happen. So as you see, everything from, we have like sort of like Pro-Am cars all the way to Danny. Danny, you guys might... Just doing nothing on my phone.
Oh hey, I didn't know you were right there, filming for your world famous vlog.
So we're here in Emirates round, the last round. So we're just going to give a little run through the cars because people always keep telling us, you guys, we want to see the cars, we want to see the cars. So these cars are all pretty wild in the pro grid here. Like you run in what, LS2 turbo and this? LS3 turbo.
LS3 turbo. To my very, very limited knowledge, I DJ for a living. It's an LS3 turbo with a bit of internal work done to it. The engine I was running 2 rounds ago was the LS2, I think.
So you're up again.
Up again. I think it's up in torque because I was running a turbo. I was getting lag on the lower RPM, so Peter hooked me up.
This thing is ready to rock and roll.
Yep, it is.
So these guys are all waiting around because obviously we have a delay on the track, so it's perfect time to check out all these cars. I love this thing. I actually love the contrasting bright interior with the dark outside. It's like the opposite of...
You hated it the first time you saw it.
And now I like it. It's grown on me now. So we've got... these are crazy. These are all sort of V8s. This is a 350Z running like a 600 horsepower LS. I think it's an LS3 in this. That's a fairly common one here.
Because LSs are in everything.
Because you can get LSs in trucks, you can get them in normal cars. They're not that exotic here. So we have very, very nice 350Z, another LS. Then we have Ahmed Daham's crazy 2JZ. This thing is built, what was it, built 2-3 weeks? And he's
3 weeks,
to build this car. 800 horsepower 2JZ, fully smashed that car. Like, this is what when we talk about superchargers, this thing. So basically they were telling me the story of this car. This car is running 900 horsepower and they couldn't actually align the car properly because there's so much weight going up and down from the torque in the car that it would change the actual wheel alignment every time it was revved or whatever. Like crazy torque, like over 1100 newton meters of torque, and the supercharger is ridiculous. But at the same time we have all the Pro-Am guys. We've got a lot of VQs, a lot of G35s, 350Zs, stuff like that.
We have a NASCAR engine.
This is a NASCAR engine sticking out of the front of this S15. Some of them make S15s look like, or 180s look like S15s. This is an actual S15. Another crazy 350Z. What's up, man? You good?
I do.
Good. All good. So we have got, look, this is a really nice build. You can see in here, really nice, tidy. Another 350Z. I think this one is running.
It's 370Z.
370Z. What am I looking?
Stock LS.
Stock LS.
Yes.
Looks nice though.
Yeah.
Really nice looking car. Will you pop the hood and show how good these look with an LS in them? Because let's be honest, they should have come with an LS really. You know, our
You
V8.
hate the noise of the
VQ is hard work sometimes.
Just an NA.
Just an NA?
400 horsepower.
There you go, all you need. Really nice though. I like this. Thanks for talking to us.
Yeah.
Best of luck tonight. Look, let's check this E30 out. Really nice. Like gangster wheels. You've got the tire right. Wide body kit. Not even sure what's in this car. Sorry. No, it's okay. Nice, a lot of E30s, and then the one behind it's even probably crazier.
Listening to the one behind.
I'm pretty sure this one runs a supercharged V8. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong. Yeah, this is the craziness. I love the 2JZ massive screamer pipe. There's no noise regulations here, and we're now at 7:30. So this practice day is going to run until 12 o'clock tonight, which is nuts, right? Jay's the next 90. I've seen this before. I feel this might be like a freestyle car. It's getting louder now. You go up in the bonnet, yeah. This is running 14. I haven't seen this car before. Build? No, it's not. Where are you from? From Jordan. This thing's gonna be loud, right? Yeah. Thank you so much. That's an aggressive cam.
That was a good build.
That is wild.
Wow, look at the radiation.
Got another E30 wide body. Back over here. Sorry, it's just pretty loud here. We're just filming this live, guys. It's a one shot. So Sultan's car looking exceptionally nice as always. We've got this is the craziest one.
I have to show you something here.
Show me something?
You don't know this car?
No.
The car was burning on Mad Mike. It's the same car.
The same car Mad Mike drove?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
James. Mike.
There you go, James Dean, Mad Mike, Peter Doinsek. That's cool, man. That's really cool. See, it's all about the drift community out here. We all get along. This car is another beast as well. We've got a good chance of winning this weekend too. So Dan's car looking well. We got the nice. Oh, nice car. It was green before. Now it's matte black. Looks really nice. Yeah, pretty wild out here, as you guys can see. There's just cars everywhere. There's still half the grid are left to arrive. So we just said we'd shoot a little one shot. You guys got to see all the cars. I want to also talk a little bit about what's going on at drift games at the moment. So, oh, we got more cars coming over here. So we'll do a little walk and talk. So at the moment, the S15 is almost ready. Let's go over here. That's the car currently winning the championship at the moment. Big LSX powered 350Z. Nasir's car, he's winning the championship at the moment. I'll have to see what was happening here. Let me see. Can you turn on? What is it, like a what? A Cresta?
It looks standard. It's like a sleeper,
It's
isn't
like
it?
a sleeper. Look at this. Is it red? Well, there you go. That's what you get on the one shot. That's just like a Cressida with, I mean, we talk about pop and bang maps in Ireland. That's a pop and bang map right there. All right, it's getting louder. We're gonna keep walking around and see what we can see, but, oh, there's more cars over here. We'll go over here. So, we were in the previous episode, we got our engines packed up. So my 1JZ with the gearbox, oh thank God, my 1JZ with the gearbox.
Is it going to sound like that?
It's gonna. I'm gonna show you the engine that's actually going in my Corvette, because there's one over here and you can actually see it. And on top of that, we have the S15 almost ready for wrap. We have a little bit of more work to do on that. We have another PS13 in the garage. I can't say why that's there, but we'll show you next week. Weather's promised good next week as well, so we're going to do some photo shoots with 3 PSs in the garage. It's going to be a very exciting episode coming up. Some suspension things happening. We'll let you know. This is one of our fresh cars with Nicholas Solomon. Hello. You good? So this is Nick's car. He's just built this really nice E92, and he's looking like a confident man this weekend. Confident man? Hopefully. Have you done a lap yet?
I know, I'm going to go right now.
It's a good track. It's fun. It flows.
Yeah, it's long, it's good for
So you guys were wondering about the LS that's going in my Corvette. Well, this is it. So this is the same engine, but this one has obviously got all the dressing on it, but the core of the engine is the same. So this car absolutely rips, and it's like 700-800 horsepower NA, and we'll hopefully get a couple of shots of that for you guys that we can throw into another episode. But this thing is badass. But everybody's
both of our favourite cars, though.
Yeah, and this is it's a Boss fronted 180, which is really, really unusual. We'll go this way. There's a lot of commotion here. We don't get people's way. So there's a 350Z, another 350Z, which looks like it has a VQ, but that's okay. He's in prom. I'm not against VQs. I'm just saying they are. When you do like 60 runs of them, they can start to hurt. But the thing about cars here is you don't know what's about to arrive. So for example, someone will open the trailer, Mustang will come out. You know, IS200 will come out, V8 supercharged. You don't know what engine setup anyone has. Cars in the paddock. Got another. Hey, look, for the boys back home. There's an IS300.
I think that's a 2J.
That's a 2J IS300. Nice though, right? And again, these one-shot episodes, we just keep them live and raw for you guys. So whatever we see on this is what you guys see. Another Ford Mustang V8 coming up over there. Anyway, as I mentioned,
Dan, who was in the last episode, is that his car? I think he bought a
yeah. So there's a new. He had his GT86 in the last episode. I think he's now switched to a 350. He's Stancy Boy 350.
No, damn price.
Yeah. How are you, man?
I'm good, how are you?
You're in a new car this weekend.
This one now.
Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hey, how you doing?
You're
He's just ignoring you.
You're live. You're live on the one-shot vlog. So why did you turn up? You turned up at 350, you guys, but you stanced it out.
This is mine, it's not his. I built it for him.
Are they genuine work equips on the front?
They are the centre capture in the car. And then their XT7Rs are
You
like
really are just.
proper ones.
Have you ever watched the drift battle and how much these get scrubbed up?
Yeah, but you have to look good, right?
This
Have
is
to look good. That looks great. It's getting loud over there. This thing looks nice stance on it. Like, this is going to be one of the prettier cars in Pro-Am.
I think so, probably.
Yeah, it's nice. Well,
The driver's no good though, so...
look at the wheels, by the way. Look at the collection we got going on over here.
because there's no spare rubbish wheel here.
No, this is all gangster, which is unusual.
19.
And not bad either. 350s can look so good when you put some nice wheels on them, but borderline. So anyway, as I mentioned, guys, merch at the moment. We're putting, we've an offer. We're back into Ireland on Monday. We sold out all of our mystery boxes. We're gonna have to start packing them up when we get back straight away. But we are still running the offer where if you buy a 2022 team t-shirt and team hoodie, we're gonna throw in a free garage banner and free team poster. So that's like a ton of stuff if you buy the team t-shirt and the team hoodie, but that is only an offer available until, we'll say, Tuesday morning, and that's about it. Then it's back to normal. All of our cars are getting ready for Dub Shed. I'm bringing 5 of my road cars all finished. The Supra spoiler finally, the Street Hunter spoiler has arrived. The 15's looking good. As I said, we have some PS13 stuff going on, but we'll get to that in a future episode. But it looks like we'll have all the cars ready for Dub Shed, and we are going there with the merch shop. We are going to have a credit card machine with us, a lot of you guys asking that, and there's going to be a lot of fun along the way. So these one-shots, we do them every week. We're just going to try and just, wherever we are, we're going to show you what's going on. I want to go maybe look at a few cars over here. Anyway, long story short, their calendar went out on our social media a couple of days ago. Check, that's the full calendar for the whole year. Yes, we can let the cat out of the bag that we are going to join Adam LZ and all the boys at the LZ Invitational at Drift Week in Washington, at Englishtown in New Jersey, in April. So that's going to be very exciting coming up soon. So Dub Shed and that we're looking forward to. Drift Masters tickets going on sale at the end of next week. So we've got to get that event ready. So a lot happening, but you guys can see there's some pretty crazy stuff still rolling in here. This is a full carbon Kevlar S14. He's also in the hunt for the championship this weekend. This is Huzzah. Really crazy driver actually. And another Camaro. You guys working hard?
How you doing, man?
Not even working on your car.
No, my car's on
Your
the
car's
line.
okay.
Fixing his car.
What's up with the car?
The upper arm on the rear wide stab, it broke off. So all the alignment is whack, so we're trying to bring it
So this is
back
Yas here, by the way,
into
guys. He's leading the championship right now.
Yeah.
A future star of world drifting. I'm gonna put it out there. He's very humble, but I'm gonna put it out there and say keep an eye for him because I've been watching him all year. He has that special sauce that, you know, he's just climbing ladder. Hopefully he can do well tomorrow, but it's gonna be tough.
Yeah,
a lot of good drivers here.
A lot of, and I think there's a couple of international drivers coming. Yeah,
there's a lot. There's a big list of drivers this weekend, which is good. Good for the finals. If you're gonna win it, you're gonna win it against the toughest grid ever.
Yeah, exactly.
In the UAE.
Exactly.
So what a nice way to know that you did it 100%. So yeah. Well, I'm not going to annoy you anymore. I want you to go and do some skits.
Sure.
Enjoy.
Sure.
All right, well, we weren't going to finish this video without showing you guys some raw burnouts and drifting. So I'm doing this for you guys because my ears are about to bleed in about 30 seconds. We're going to do a few ratings of some burnouts in the burnout box, which we're going to do by smoke, style, how cool, sound definitely, and how cool the car is. So we're going to just let a couple of burnouts go, and we can try and film the track, but that's kind of far away. But here we go.
I reckon sound was a 10.
Yeah, I think on overall I'm going to give that an 8. That was some smoothness to it. Sounds good, that car. And it was a bit of style, like the front brake lock-ups warming the front tires. I'll give it an 8. That's a bit better, that's like a 6, that was good.
I would say a 6.
Like a 6, yeah. Now, Ahmed Daham, you might just finish here quite high. And this is just the burnout box, not even a competition, but they're seeing the cameras here, so they're getting a little bit wild. Pro driver warms his tires fronts and rears, so a solid 10 for Mr. Daham from me.
My ears physically hurt.
gonna give that one an 8, and then he gets a 9 for the underglow.
Are we doing
That's
rings?
we're just doing a ring competition.
Rings, do
Yeah.
it
I know
all.
there's like basically we built Dunleary from back in the day in Ireland, but 5 times the size out there. But we're more interested in the rings.
Rings!
Get up close.
Hoops!
A lot of proximity. All right, let's go check out the track.
I'm not too sure he realised he was actually that close to the barrier then.
I think the most dangerous thing he did was the warm-up. I think the track is probably easier. So loud. Just painful but fun. Oh!
The anti-lag is
Outrageous.
yeah.
It's a lot of anti-lag now. Almost an unnecessary amount of anti-lag, and he needs to learn the line of the track. But you know what? It's the first practice run he's done. Everyone's going to get better. Remember, this is just practice tonight, so tomorrow is the main event. We don't film the main event in the vlog because obviously we're working the main event. First corner.
This is probably the fastest track of the season, isn't it?
So this is like, well, years ago we did an Irish Drift Championship event in Dunleary. This is the same track, but it's 5 times the size. So you imagine Dunleary, but the first corner is the same size as Teesside. This makes it faster than any track in, or bigger than any track in Ireland or the UK, so mad. Anyway, this one shot was brought to you by deafness. I'm still picking rubber out of my teeth. It's very loud. This car got to go by me now, so I don't even know why I'm bothered to talk. Yeah, so we'll give you a little taster of the event. I can't even hear myself. Right, quiet. So, merch, offer of the 2022 team hoodie and team t-shirt. Buy them together, you get a free garage banner and a free signed team poster. That's until Tuesday morning. We got all our car bills getting ready for Dubshed in like 2.5 weeks. We got more content coming from the Middle East. We hope you enjoyed the one shot, which may have turned into 2 or 3 shots. We're not sure what's happening. We hope you enjoyed it. It's been a blast. We're having a good time here as usual. I'm going to show you guys all the cool stuff from behind the scenes. So hit the subscribe button, grab some merch. Thank you guys who already purchased all the merch over the last 2 weeks. It keeps the channel going. And we'll see you guys on the next one if we can still hear or speak. It's going slow. Sorry. All right, guys.